Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing the gear and inserting the card correctly. First, check your Moultrie reader model and confirm the card type fits. This prevents incompatible reads. Once done, power off the camera or reader to avoid data corruption, then gently open the slot. Insert the card with the label facing the direction indicated on the reader. Push until it clicks. You do this to ensure a reliable electrical connection and prevent file errors when you begin transferring images. Now connect the reader to your computer and transfer files. Plug the USB cable into the reader and then into your computer. If using an adapter, seat the micro SD in the adapter first. Wait until the device mounts. This avoids partial writes. Open your file manager and navigate to the DSIM folder. Copy whole folders to keep timestamps and subfolder organization intact. Make sure to safely eject the device after copying to ensure all cached data is written before removing the reader. Finish by safely ejecting the reader and confirming results in your camera. After copying, use your OS eject function, then reinsert the card into the camera to verify thumbnails load. This confirms file integrity. If the card isn't readable, try a different reader or USB port and run chkdsk or first aid to repair file system errors. If those fail, use data recovery software, but only if you haven't written new files to the card, because overwriting reduces recovery chances.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.